How to create a game pass on Roblox. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to create a game pass on Roblox. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Log in. On your phone, go to any browser. Go to roblox.com. From there, you will be asked to continue the app. Don't select that option, but instead, choose the one below, which enables you to continue in browser. Afterwards, enter your username and password to log in. Step 2. Create a pass. Now on the Roblox website, tap Create and you will be directed to Creator mode. Tap the menu button, which is the 3 lines at the upper left corner. Select Dashboard. Below it is Your Place, accompanied by an image of your world in Roblox. Tap it, select the menu again, then tap Associated Items. Tap on Passes, then hit the button that says Create Pass. Step 3. Requirements. Finally, just fill in the requirements for the pass that you need, such as the image, name, and description. After all that is said and done, simply scroll down and tap Create Pass. And that's it! That is how you create a game pass on Roblox. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!